Heading off on an adventure? Don't forget your bank. Ever dreamed of that picture-perfect European summer, or maybe a heart-pounding trek through Southeast Asia? Amazing, right? But hold on, amidst the packing frenzy and itinerary planning, there's one crucial detail many travelers forget: their bank. Will your trusty debit card work at that charming Parisian cafe? Will you be hit with sky-high fees when withdrawing cash for that epic Thai island adventure? Fear not, fellow Globetrotters, because today we're diving deep into the world of using Commbank internationally. So, can you use Commbank internationally? Buckle up, because the answer, like most things in life, is a nuanced it depends. But worry not, we'll untangle the web and equip you with all the knowledge you need for a smooth financial journey abroad. Let's talk accounts, your international banking BFF. First things first, the type of Commbank account you have plays a big role. Here's a breakdown of the most common ones. Commbank Transaction Account. This is the classic everyday account. It allows you to use your debit card overseas for purchases and ATM withdrawals. However, be aware of international transaction fees, which can add up quickly. Commbank Debit MasterCard. This debit card offers slightly better international transaction rates compared to the standard debit card. Still, fees can bite, so keep an eye on those. Commbank Travel Debit MasterCard. Now we're talking. This travel-specific card boasts lower international transaction fees and even waives fees for ATM withdrawals at certain partner banks overseas. This can be a lifesaver, especially if you plan on relying heavily on cash. The cost of convenience, fees, glorious fees. Alright, let's address the not-so-fun part, fees. Commbank, like most banks, charges fees for using your card internationally. These can include international transaction fees. Every time you make a purchase with your card overseas, you'll be slapped with this fee. It's usually a percentage of the transaction amount. Foreign ATM withdrawal fees. Withdrawing cash from an ATM abroad comes with a double whammy. You'll pay Commbank's fee, and often, the ATM itself will charge an additional withdrawal fee. Ouch! Taming the fees. Top tips for savvy travelers. Now, don't let the fees scare you off. Here are some clever hacks to minimize the financial sting while using Commbank internationally. Embrace the Commbank Travel Debit MasterCard. This is a no-brainer. If you know you'll be using your card frequently overseas, the lower fees and potential ATM fee waivers make this card a clear winner. Plan your cash withdrawals. Research banks with which Commbank has partnerships for fee-free ATM withdrawals. This can save you a ton of money, especially if you rely heavily on cash. Be a purchase ninja. Try to make larger purchases instead of multiple smaller ones. This way, the international transaction fee hits you only once, not repeatedly. Consider a travel card. Prepaid travel cards can be a great option, especially for budgeting. Load them with the amount you need and avoid the hassle of currency fluctuations and hidden fees. Beyond the fees, safety first. Fees are important, but safety is paramount. Here are some security tips for using your Commbank card abroad. Notify Commbank. Let them know your travel dates and destinations to avoid having your card blocked for suspicious activity. Be card smart. Don't let your card out of your sight, and memorize your PIN. Consider using contactless payments for added security. Download the Commbank app. This allows you to monitor your account activity in real time and even block your card if necessary. The verdict: Commbank, your international banking companion, with a few caveats. So, can you use Commbank internationally? Absolutely. With the right planning and a bit of savvy, Commbank can be your reliable financial partner on your global adventures. Just remember to choose the right account, be mindful of fees, and prioritize security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.